Today on How To Blindz, we'll be showing you how to assemble and install your perfect fit blind. First, we'll look through the components in our flat pack. So we have our top and bottom frame, our two side channels, and our brackets. To assemble our perfect fit blind, we'll flip the blind face down and start with our control end. First, attach the side channel with the cord tidy. Line up the grooves of the side channel with the control end set and clip in. Now attach the blank side channel to the idle end side of the headrail. Now you can attach the bottom section to the two side channels. Now we can release the chain and the cord tidy components. Now we'll move on to installing the brackets. Using a guide card or credit card, we'll pop our brackets into the gasket seal on each side of the window. Then we'll do the same for the top window. And now we can install the frame. Going from top to bottom, clip your frame into the brackets on either side of the window. When secure, we'll wrap the chain around the cord tidy and secure the chain. Insert the screw into the cord tidy and cover the screw with the cover cap. Now we can check the operation of the blind. Now we can do the same for the top window and your perfect fit blind is installed. Here we have a perfect fit vision blind. The perfect fit range could also come in roller, cellular and Venetian. Take a look at our current vision fabric collection by clicking the annotation on screen now. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blindz.